You can earn from Airbnb without having a property. How? Through Airbnb co-hosting. What is Airbnb co-hosting? Most people think the only way to make money on Airbnb is to own a house or to rent one through Airbnb arbitrage. But that's not true. There's another opportunity that many people do not know about. In fact, thousands of Airbnb hosts are looking for someone to help them manage their properties. That someone could be you. In this video, I will explain exactly what Airbnb co-hosting is and what an Airbnb co-host actually does every day, and why every host who wants to grow a real business, not just own a property, needs a professional co-host. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Angela. I help Airbnb hosts increase bookings, improve guest experiences, and maximize profits through professional Airbnb co-hosting. If you are interested in building an income without owning property, or you are an Airbnb host looking to grow your business, you are in the right place. Make sure you subscribe because this channel is dedicated to Airbnb co-hosting. So what exactly is Airbnb co-hosting? Think of an Airbnb property like a hotel. The owner owns the hotel, but they don't do everything themselves. They have managers, receptionists, housekeepers, maintenance staff. Airbnb works the same way. An Airbnb co-host is someone who helps manage an Airbnb property on behalf of the owner. Sometimes they manage one property, sometimes 10, sometimes 50. The property belongs to someone else. The co-host makes sure everything runs smoothly. Imagine your friend owns an Airbnb. They work a 9 to 5 job. Guests keep messaging at midnight. The cleaner forgets appointments. Someone complains that the Wi-Fi isn't working. Another guest wants an early check-in. Your friend is overwhelmed. Instead of handling everything alone, they hire you as their co-host. You become the person who keeps the business running. That's Airbnb co-hosting. What does an Airbnb co-host do? Many people think an Airbnb co-host just replies to messages. Not even close. A professional Airbnb co-host manages almost every part of the guest journey. Here are some of the main responsibilities. First, guest communication. This starts even before the guest books. You answer questions quickly. You help potential guests feel confident. You send check-in instructions. You answer questions during the stay. You follow up after checkout. Fast communication increases bookings and leads to better reviews. Second, managing bookings. You will monitor reservations, prevent double bookings, approve or decline requests, update the calendar, handle cancellations when necessary. Third, coordinating cleaners. After every checkout, the property needs to be cleaned. A co-host schedules the cleaner, confirms the work is done, makes sure the property is guest ready before the next arrival. Fourth, managing maintenance. Sometimes things go wrong. The air conditioner stops working, the light bulb goes out, the TV won't connect, the water heater has a problem. Instead of the owner handling everything themselves, the co-host calls the right technician and gets it fixed quickly. Fifth, listing optimization. This is one of my favorite parts. A co-host improves the Airbnb listing by writing better descriptions, updating photos, choosing better amenities, improving the title, optimizing pricing. All these help increase bookings. Sixth, guest experience. Great reviews don't happen by accident. They come from great experiences. A professional co-host thinks about every detail. Clear instructions, quick responses, welcome messages, local recommendations, fast problem solving. Happy guests leave 5-star reviews, and 5-star reviews bring more bookings. Why every business-minded host needs a co-host. Now let's talk about something many hosts don't realize. Owning an Airbnb and running an Airbnb business are two different things. Many hosts become trapped. They are answering messages while eating dinner. They are taking calls during family time. They are coordinating cleaners while at work. They are solving issues on vacation. Eventually, they burn out. A business should work for you, not depend on you every minute. That's where a co host comes in. A professional co host gives the owner freedom, freedom to travel, freedom to spend time with family, freedom to buy more properties, freedom on focusing on growing the business instead of constantly managing it. Think about companies like hotels. The owner isn't cleaning rooms, the owner isn't checking guests in, the owner has systems. A good Airbnb co host help create those systems. And that's how Airbnb changes from being a side hustle into a real business. Conclusion. So to recap, an Airbnb co-host helps manage Airbnb properties for owners. Their responsibilities include guest communication, booking management, owner coordination, maintenance, listing optimization, and creating an excellent guest experience. And if you're an Airbnb host with a business mindset, hiring the right co-host isn't an expense. It's an investment that helps you grow faster while giving you back your time. If you're interested in being an Airbnb co-host or you're a host looking to hire one, this channel is for you. Subscribe because in the next video, I will explain how beginners can become Airbnb co-hosts even if they have no experience. Now, I would love to hear from you. Would you rather own an Airbnb property or build a business managing properties for other people? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.